Lisbeth, and I'm going to the university to teach. I'm at the train station. I'll be doing my walking later. But anyways, this here is what they call the gacha gacha machines. And, you know, they're like 400 yen now, 300 yen. It's about $3, $4, $5. They got different things. This one here is from the Yu-Gi-Oh! Mario, Kamen Rider. This one here is from One Piece, and these are the fruits, and they're lights actually, so they light up. Small, but they're lights. And you got different things here. Yeah, it's probably what you guys like. And down here, we got more. So you put in the coin. A lot of them are empty though. Probably during the holidays, the kids were buying them. These are like the little bombs. So you press the top and they make a noise. So it's not like bombs. And these are like little animals begging for food. We got a dog, a cat, the ferret or mongoose, a penguin, and then the white dolphin. Please give me some food. But it's a nice day out. We had a big storm yesterday. This is the inside. Still early in the morning. But it's a nice day. And then I'm just waiting for the convenience store to open to get a drink. Probably a little bread. Got my books ready here for teaching. So, but anyways, other people probably heading towards Tokyo or something for the trip. But where I'm living is famous for cherries. But anyways, just a quick view of the train station.